Bird. Noun. A warm-blooded egg-laying vertebrate distinguished by the possession of feathers, wings, and a beak, typically by being able to fly. Bird. Bird. A noun.
I found this bird in the sculpture yard. I brought him home. I picked him up too late. There were maggots already inside of his body, and I brought them into my house. I could hear them writhing inside of the bag. I was upset, and I didn't really have a right to be. Maggots are natural. This is not natural. But I want it so bad.
A bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. A proverb. It's better to be content with what you have than to risk losing everything by seeking more.
I don't know how to be content. That's why I collect. I want more. I don't think it'll be enough. It's greedy. It's selfish.
Yellow-rumped warbler. The yellow-rumped warbler is a regular North American bird species that can be commonly observed all across the continent. Its extensive distribution range connects both the Pacific and the Atlantic coasts of the U.S., as well as Canada and Central America, with the population concentrating in the continent's northern parts during the breeding season and migrating southwards to the southern North and Central America in winter. The species generally prefers coniferous forests or mixed coniferous deciduous forests as its breeding habitat, while during the winter it can be found inhabiting more open areas such as shrublands that offer food resources. The diet of the yellow-rumped warbler is based primarily on insects, though the species does eat fruits such as juniper berries as well, especially in winter.
When I am dead and buried in the ground, I am terrified that all of these things that I have are just going to sit and rot alongside with me.
Bird. Bird, a noun.